Oh, okay. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys about the structure, the buy setup structure and the sell setup structure. So in this image, as you can see, okay. So always we always mark engulfing sell zone for sell, right? It's like a resistance, isn't it? So we will mark this engulfing sell zone as always. Okay, we'll mark it, and price always have to pull back buy sideways. Okay. Okay, just ignore all of this lah, because this one is all in Malay. Okay, later I will change it to English one. So just remember, price always has to make engulf sideways, pull back, and form another engulfing. Right, this is for sell. Okay, so let's say in weekly we can see, you see engulf, and you see price pulls back by sideways, and then form another engulfing buy. So we will look for confirmation to entry buy over here. Okay, alright. So let's say you miss entry. This one, okay, just ignore this one. Okay, let's say you miss your entry. Okay, we will precise to a lower time frame to entry earlier. Alright, so from here you see, when you precise to daily zone, you see, price, CMP, current market price will form engulfing buy. Okay, since this is a buy setup, of course we need to have engulfing buy as a rejection. And along the way, when it goes up, it has to break engulfing sell, it has to break engulfing sell, see, break, okay, engulfing sell here, also break and pulls back and continue go up. Okay, so the structure is everywhere, even in daily H4, H1, M15, M5, even in M1 you can see it. So let's say this one is set up daily, as you can see from here, engulfing sell zone, okay, price pull back by sideways. Okay, so if you want to be more solid, of course you need to wait daily to form engulfing sell. But if you want to entry earlier, of course you can go to lower time frame, which is H4. So in this case, for this one, for example, in this case, if you wait for engulfing buy to be formed over here, you already miss entry over here, isn't it? So you will go to daily, see, engulfing buy over here. So you can entry earlier when you switch to lower time frame. Okay, so yeah, price has to form engulf, pull back by sideways, and it has to form another engulfing. But see, here you cannot see engulfing, isn't it? See, when it forms engulfing, price already go very far, isn't it? That's why you have to precise to low time frame. But this one is based on confirmation entry, so I will explain it more in the last video. Okay, so you see, continue from this one, daily. Okay, engulf sideways. Okay, so in H4, see, price form engulfing sell again. So price will pull back buy sideways again. When it comes in, you will go to, either you will wait in H4 or H1. Always remember this. Okay, so now let's see another example. Set up H4. Okay, see, the structure is everywhere. See, engulfing buy, price pull back by sideways, and it forms another engulfing buy over here, as you can see, engulfing buy, and it gives you a second chance. You see, engulfing buy, pulls back by sideways. You see, here, actually in lower time frame we will have engulfing buy, but this one, yeah, here, see, this one, right? Wait, yeah, here, see, here we have engulfing buy, isn't it? So when you have engulfing buy, you will entry at where? You will entry when the safest entry is when engulfing fail. Engulfing sell over here breaks. So when it breaks, pull back, entry. Okay, but if you want to entry here, also no problem. But like I said, the confirmation entry I will explain in the last video. So for this video, I'm just going to explain to you how the buy structure and the sell structure looks like. So this is buy structure. Okay, this is sell structure. Okay, yeah, so I will proceed to chart so you can see very clearly. Okay, so now I'll give you a very recent example and a very good example. So from here, as you can see, daily. Okay, let's say here we have engulf fail to engulf buy. See, no matter what kind of engulf, as long as it has to be engulf. Okay, this one is engulfing fail, right? It can consider to be engulf also. Engulf sideways, engulfing buy, isn't it? Pull back, go for a buy. Of course, you're going to focus on buy, isn't it? Let's see in each one. See the same structure over here. Can see or not? See, engulf buy, price pull back sideways, and it forms engulfing buy. But now the problem is that when price form engulfing buy is already here. So you should you can choose to entry earlier in lower time frame. Okay, like M15. See? Engulfing buys, pull back by sideways, and here you can see engulfing buy over here. That's why price pull back and go. Okay, but I'll explain this more detail in last video lah. Okay, as I mentioned. So if you want to see more structure like this, I can show you. Wait, one more last example. Okay, see this one, very good example here. Engulf to engulf, engulf to engulf. Remember, engulfing by price pull back sideways, engulfing by with confirmation go up. Okay, very simple. So this is about the buy structure and the sell structure. When you see this kind of structure, you have to be more alert. But the most important thing is that you have to focus on what? Focus on CMP, current market price. If current market price never form engulfing, or it comes with momentum, so most likely the zone is going to be broken. Alright, so don't entry that kind of setup. Okay, when price comes into the zone, it has to sideways. Okay, yeah, that's all. Okay, thank you.